Belinda Selene and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a full review as well as what's inside of my bag, and a lot of you guys have been loving this bag ever since I got it for Christmas. I've been asked all over social media like Instagram and Snapchat to do a full review or to do a what's inside my bag, so I'm like, I'm just gonna put both of those together. A lot of you guys have been interested in purchasing it as well, and you guys want to know like just a full review, how much does it hold, how does it lay on your body, and all of that fun stuff. So I will be sharing all of that with you guys. I recently got this for Christmas from the Hubs, aka Santa Claus. I wear it every single day because I love it that much. It's just so easy to carry because it's small, it's a crossbody bag. I can use it when I run errands. I don't have to be super dressed up when I'm wearing this. I've always been lusting over these bags, but I just can never get myself to buy one. So thanks Hubs, thanks to Ricardo for getting it for me. And this is the, let me pull it up on my phone. I want to give you guys like the absolute most accurate description of this. This is the Soho small leather disco bag from Gucci. It is in the rose beige leather and it retails for $1,190. I've heard that some places can be found for under $1,000. I'm not sure exactly what those stores are, but I'm just looking at the Gucci website. When I got it out of the box, I was kind of surprised to see what kind of leather it was, because even though you could see the texture in all of the pictures and just in general online, it looks like it could be a very thick leather, but surprisingly it's extremely light and it's very thin, and therefore it doesn't always hold its shape. That's something that I saw in the reviews of like when I would just binge watch like purse review videos of this bag, because I wanted it so bad and I wanted it in different colors, and everybody just said that it's not always going to hold its shape like other designer bags when the leather is thicker, but I don't mind it at all. I mean, it's perfectly fine. The only problem people usually see is that it dents in here because it's on your side, it's on your hip, and so from it being placed there, it creates a dent. I don't even notice it. I never even really paid attention to it until I saw those videos and I realized that it does do that. Honestly, it doesn't bother me. It doesn't look any less beautiful than it does. But if it does bother you, then that's something to consider when you're purchasing this bag. My favorite thing is this tassel. You guys know in my purses, I always love to put like a big poof ball or some kind of accessory on it. And I don't have to on this one because it's so cute. This is how the bag lays on your body. I do like it that it goes a little bit underneath my hip because I find it more comfortable, and where I'm wearing a coat that's thicker, it also like just helps because since the coat is thick, it allows me to have more room to lay it down low, and then I always keep it in the front. Also, I am 5 feet 4 inches, and this is how it lays on me. If you're smaller than me, then you can make it a little bit thinner, and if you're taller, it's going to fit like maybe right here. So it's like the perfect size. If you want to wear it just over your shoulder like this, then it's pretty low, but you can also make it a little bit shorter. This is pretty amazing if you do want a crossbody bag. The inside of the purse is made out of this linen material, which I like because I don't feel scared that I'm going to mess it up or scratch it inside or anything like that. The only bad thing is that over time, since it is linen, it's fabric, it might get dirty a lot easier than most leather bags that have leather inside. And so for that reason, that's also something to consider. Also, I really like the zipper. It's very smooth, unlike Louis Vuitton purses. If you guys own any Louis Vuitton purses, you guys know that the zippers on there are very hard. Not necessarily that they're not smooth, but they're just thicker. You could just feel that the hardware is a lot more thick, as where this bag just opens up really easily. So I do like that. And now let's get to what's inside of the bag. The first thing that I see are my keys, and I do have this keychain which I love, which is another Christmas present. And then I just have like my house keys, car keys, and another thing that I do have is this tile mate. So what this little thing does, it's pretty cool. If you lose your keys, you can find it with your phone on the app, or if you lose your phone, you can press this twice and it works with Bluetooth, and then you can find your phone. So pretty awesome. And the best part is that it even rings when it's on silent. It also has a GPS tracker, which I like because in case you lose this somewhere, you can actually like look on your phone and it shows you like a GPS of where your keys or whatever item you put this on is at. So I love that thing. I saw it one day when I was at Lowe's and I was like, what is that? I googled it and I was like, okay, sold, I need it because I lose my phone all the time. Another thing that I have in here are headphones, which I like because they're wireless and they're really comfortable on my ears. I have small ear holes and I feel like every single headphone that I've ever owned hurt my ears and I can't wear them for that long. And these aren't as small as I would like them to, but they're still quite comfortable and they're really nice. These are the Power Beats. Next we have my wallet. Since this is a rose gold beige, I brought out my rose gold wallet. This one is from Michael Kors and it's really cute. I like how easy it is to just pull out like credit cards, your ID, and just like overall it's just like really easy to have. So I do like that. Very sturdy. Next we have some lotion. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing. Have you guys ever tried the gummies, the peach gummies? They're round, they have a ton of sugar on them, but they smell amazing, and this smells identical to that. I got this from Marshall's in a set of 3, and this is actually from the Philosophy brand, and it smells amazing. The number one thing that I keep in my purses is definitely lotion because my hands get really dry and it's so uncomfortable. I found some medicine inside. This is Allergy Medicine. It's 24 Allergy Relief from Walzer. It is the generic brand from Zyrtec, and it's my favorite allergy medicine. It doesn't make me feel drowsy, which I like. And then we also have some sunnies. These are the Key and Desi Perkins sunglasses, and I love these. They're really, really cute. Key Australia actually reached out. They saw a picture of me wearing some glasses that I purchased on Instagram, and then they messaged me and they were like, hey, can we send you a couple pairs? And I was like, yes, oh my gosh, like I'm so excited. So they sent these over. They're super cute. I think this is a collection with another vlogger actually. I just use this case because it's clear. We have a bunch of receipts. I'm always interested to see like what people buy. So let's see, this is from Michael's. We have a bunch of Christmas decor. You went to IHOP and I had the stuffed cream cheese French toast. It was so good. That's like my favorite thing to get. Then we have Sip Coffee House. It is my favorite cafe. I actually ran into 2 subscribers when I was at Sip Coffee House, and they were just so sweet. Absolutely love them, and it makes me so happy when you guys come up to me and say hi because I just feel like I have a friend there. And don't ever be shy to come up to me. I'm really nice, and I promise I'm not like intimidating or mean or anything like that. Next we have a receipt from Wisconsin Dells, which is where we spend New Year's with our family. We wanted to make it fun for the kids, and we went to like a nice little water resort. It was so cute. I had so much fun. I have a lipstick in here. No, let me say that again. I have 1, 2, 3. That's it. Oh no, 4. 4 Lippies in here. Surprise. I'm actually quite surprised because I usually have like 5 or 6 or 7. I only have 4 lip products in here. The first one, it is from Maybelline in Brown Blush. This one is so pretty. It's matte and it's just, it feels very velvety. It feels very nice on the lips. I love that one. We just have some chapstick. I have to get peppermint because I love peppermint chapstick. Then we have, this is the Tarte Lippy Lingerie, and this one is in the shade Lacy. Yes, I love brown natural colors. Those are my favorite. Then we have another one from Tarte, and I love these 2. This is more of like a reddish color. This one is called Surfs Up, and I love the packaging. It just feels so like luxurious. I still have this in here. This is from Mount Olympus, a resort that we stayed in. I don't recommend staying at Mount Olympus. I do recommend staying at a different water resort if you're ever in Wisconsin Dells. We went through a few headaches staying there. And then I just have a pen in there, which really scares me. Why do I have a pen in here? Like, I'm scared that it's going to explode, or the cap is going, not the cap, but like it's going to come out, the ink, and write on my purse. That should not be in there. I do have some gum, and it's all beat up. It smells delicious. I got this in my stocking stuffer, so I put it in there. I have a wrapper. I should not be having trash. I have some more receipts. Dippin' Dots. Oh yeah, at the food court I had Dippin' Dots. My favorite are the banana split ones. They're just so much fun to eat. Like, do you guys get Dippin' Dots for the flavor because you want ice cream, or because of the texture? Like, I just love that it melts in your mouth, and they're just fun to eat, but they're always overpriced. And the last thing that I have in here is my Pandora bracelet. I was looking for this. I had it in here because I forgot what I was doing and I just put it inside of my purse. That is everything that is inside. I want to show you guys the inside of this too. What just fell? I don't know. But this is the inside of the bag. It does fit quite a lot, as you guys can obviously tell. There are also 2 pockets inside. So there's one pocket right over here, and then there's another pocket in there. And I like putting my phone. What phone is this? This is the iPhone X, and it fits pretty well in there in the little pocket, so I think a plus will even fit there. I think, if I'm not wrong, I think the plus is slightly bigger than the iPhone X, but yeah, as you guys can tell, I love rose gold. It's like one of my favorites. Hope you guys got some insight and also just like an honest review of the bag. If you're thinking of purchasing it, I do recommend for you guys to get it. I love it personally. I just find it so easy to wear. It goes with like just about any outfit that you can think of. I get so many compliments on it. I love it, and you don't have to worry about it being scratched because I feel like it's very well-made leather. It should be, right? I just feel like some designer bags are so fragile and I'm scared to use. For example, I have the Givenchy bag. I'm so scared to wear that thing. I'm so scared. I got it when we went to Paris, and I just feel like I would just die if I ever ruined it or got a scratch or anything. I did get a minor little scratch, which nobody will notice or even realize that it's there except me. But like after I scratched it, I was like, oh, I'm not wearing it. And you paid so much money for them, you invested in them, so you should want to wear them. I'm trying to wear that one more often, but I only take it out for like special events, but this is something that I can wear on a daily basis. So for that reason, I only wear the Givenchy bag on like Christmas or Thanksgiving because I'm so scared of anything happening to it. Eventually, you know, like it'll wear off and I'll start wearing more often, but for right now, I'm just like keeping it inside of the glass cabinets that you guys see behind me. I always get so many questions on the storage system behind me and like how I store my purse and shoes, and they are actually all from IKEA. Like the cabinets are the Billy bookcases, and then I just like purchased the doors separately at IKEA, and then you could just put it together. It's super easy and super inexpensive compared to like others that I've seen. But since you guys have been asking a lot to see it, and also you guys have been asking to see like a purse collection of the designer bags that I don't have too many, believe me. Like I just have like 5, but if you guys want to see it, I will show you guys like a combination of like a little tour so you guys could see what it looks like, and then also just show you guys my bags because I love when you guys request things because I want to put up videos that you guys want to watch. So that is all for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, as well as subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Muchos besos. Mwah.